This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn on top fan badges on Facebook. Follow these easy steps to do it, and the process will be similar for Android and iOS users. Go ahead and launch the Facebook app, and now we need to switch our Facebook page. So tap on menu, tap on this arrow icon next to your profile and select the page. Now tap on menu, and here you will get dashboard. If you can't find it here, then click on see more, and here you will get dashboard, professional dashboard. Just tap on that. Once you are in your professional dashboard, scroll down. Under tools section, you will get fan engagement, or you can tap on see more to find it. Now tap on fan engagement, and here you will get top fan. So to enable top fan badge, toggle this option on. To enable top fan badges, and to enable rising fan, you can do it from here. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.